In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I built my team's real estate website using Lofty. I'm going to take you through the back end, show you all the settings that I use, so that way it works to capture leads. And then I'm going to show you the front end of the website. That way you can see what it looks like as a finished product and what we actually drive our traffic to be able to convert leads and get new leads inbound to our business. So let's dive into the video and let's check it out. So I'm excited to share this with you. I've been building my real estate team over the past 5 years now, and I've used numerous different CRMs, websites, and lead generation tools. And what I want to share with you in this video is what I'm currently using, and it's a all-in-one package that I really love. So if you have a real estate team or you're looking to build a real estate team, then this video should be pretty helpful and useful to you. So if you do want to check out this system, I actually do have an affiliate link down below with Lofty where I can connect you with one of their top people to do a demo with you and take you through the system step by step so you can see if it's a good fit for your real estate team or not. So click the link down below. There is a form there, which when you fill that out, it will actually connect you with somebody from Lofty. You'll get different access to VIP pricing, and they'll take you through a complete demo and show you the system and see how it can help you grow your business. So make sure to check that out in the description down below. So first things first, if you're a team leader, you've probably looked at so many different CRMs and so many different websites for your business, and you're just confused because there's so many different options out there. Well, I know that's the story for myself, and I've used many different CRMs. I've used everything from Follow Up Boss to lower cost versions like Top Producer, and while some of their features are really good, I found that this is my favorite platform to use because it's a all-in-one platform. Now, what I like about it is that the front-end website connects to the back-end CRM. So when anybody goes on your website, you get alerts. It also has an app. So whenever that person goes to your website and starts looking at houses again, that app will ring your phone and then you can start reaching out to that person to convert that lead. It also has other features like blogging features if you want to use that to drive more traffic to your website with social media. I haven't had a chance to really dive into that yet, which I'm hoping to do soon, but that's another really good feature that not every CRM or every website has. It also has AI blogging, so if you want AI to rate the blog posts then you can just go in and kind of tweak them to how you want it. It can write really good frameworks and save you a lot of time. But I want to talk about the front end website today, and I want to show you our front end website because I am pretty proud of the way it looks and it was pretty easy to do. We got this up and running fairly quickly. I did make some adjustments, but it's all templatized, so it's easy to use. There's no code involved, and I didn't really have to go in there and do too much. In fact, I found it even easier to use than WordPress, and we've used WordPress websites before, and this is way easier to use. So let's dive into it real quick. I want to show you some of the stuff. So first things first, I want to show you the back end of our website. So when you're inside Lofty, you're going to notice that you have all these tabs. If you go to people, you're going to get to your CRM. If you go to transactions, you're going to see your transaction pipeline. You have your calendar, which connects to Google Calendar. And you have a lot of different things here, but what we want to do is we want to go to website. When we go to website, what's going to happen is you're going to see all these domains and then subdomains. So you're going to want to purchase your main domain. That's what you're going to use for your real estate team, your real estate brand, or even your real estate brokerage. So you want to purchase that main domain. So our real estate team is called the Alpine Group, and our domain is the alpinegroup.net. I couldn't get .com, unfortunately it was taken, so we just went with .net. And then you're going to see all these subdomains. And then subdomains is something that you can create for your real estate agents so that they have their own subdomain under your domain so that if leads come in through those subdomains, it goes right to their own CRM, which is pretty cool. But I'm going to click this right here, and you're going to be able to see our website. So here's a preview of our website. And then we also have some different things we can do. So we have the blog that we can get into. We can change the navigation. We can change or add any custom landing pages. I really like the landing pages because you can use this if you're doing YouTube content or you're doing anything like that to drive leads to these landing pages. And then when people opt into them, you're creating leads from organic traffic, which is awesome. And I find that organic leads convert at a much higher rate than paid leads. So if you do this in combination with your paid leads that you're maybe doing with Google or Facebook, this can be awesome. So that's what that is. And then you have your organization information. So that's just logos and things like that. It's not that exciting. But if we go in here to the editor, you're going to notice that everything is kind of done in blocks. And the reason that they do this is it's super easy to edit. When I was doing this myself, I was like, hey, this is going to be a pain to set this whole website up, but it really wasn't hard to use at all. And then it kind of gives you different things here to go through. So this is just a block. So if I want to edit this block, I can edit it. I can also move this block if I want to, which I don't want to do. So the way we have this set up right now is people come to our website, and you feel free to copy our layout. If you want to copy this and build a website similar to this, feel free to do that. It's totally cool. But the way we have it done here is we have people come to our main site. This is the main page that they land on. And then instantly they have a photo of our local city. So it's like, oh, this is familiar. This makes sense. This is building more trust. And then we also have 5-star rated real estate team. Our clients always come first. So 5-star rated real estate team. That's an instant boost in credibility, and people are like, oh wow, 5-star rated team, like this is pretty good. Let me stay on this website a little bit longer. Now next you're gonna see this search bar right here, and this is a search bar just like Zillow works, and they can type in any property that they want, and if they're looking for something specific, they can just go in here, type it in, and the property will come up, which is really cool. It makes it super user friendly. And then we have some of our featured listings that we want to highlight. And then I have a quick call to action. So if they're scrolling this far down, I wanted a call to action here. And what this is a call to action to go to a landing page where they can click here and go get a home value report. And this is going to create leads for you. So if you're driving people to your page, or they're clicking, or they're typing your website in when they go to your signs, this is the kind of stuff you want on your website, so that when people go on that site, there's a call to action and some kind of value that they're going to get for opting into that, so you can start creating those organic leads. And at the end of the day, those are the free leads that you want to be able to build your business. Once we scroll down a little bit past here, I just have my entire team, just so they know, who's on the team, who they might be working with. It's just a quick brand builder, and it also is on a scroll, so it automatically scrolls by itself, so you can kind of see everybody on the team, which is really cool. I like this feature a lot. And then we have some of our recently sold listings that you can see. We have a quick map of market trends, which again, I didn't put this market trends thing there. This is an option that you can add on. It's all drag and drop, so it's pretty easy to use. You just add your zip code, and then it gives you a complete market trends update. So when people come on your website, they're going to be able to see it. And then I have some more options here. So what is your home worth? That's another call to action to get that home value report, because again, we want listing leads. Like a lot of people, they all want the listing leads. This is a good way to get them, because we're offering value, and it's just an organic way to get that traffic in. And then we also have some of the featured areas that we cover. And once they click these boxes, it actually takes them to a home search in those areas, which is pretty cool. And then we have our blog. I did a couple blog posts, but I haven't really done much with this. I want to spend some more time on this. So yeah, and then you can build it out as you want. So you can add more columns, add more boxes, and really make it your own, which is pretty cool. And then on the front end, just to give you an idea what this looks like, this is kind of how it looks. You can see all of this here. It's all dynamic. You can click it and it goes right to another page. This is a step-by-step. So basically, once they go through this, if they type their address in, these boxes light up as they go through the process, which I find really cool. It's pretty dynamic. It looks professional. It's modern. And this is something that if you do decide to reach out to Lofty and set up an appointment, you can ask them if they can set up a similar style website to this if you want to do that. Again, feel free to copy this design. I think it's really been good so far. So that's how we do our organic stuff with our website. That's the simple layout. And then it also has sub pages, which a lot of these sub pages were already here. The only thing that we really added was our lender partner, and then our videos, which is going to be linking to YouTube. So I haven't really built that in yet, but we do have a YouTube channel. So I'm going to link those together and start building out that YouTube channel, because right now it doesn't have much on it. And I want to start building that out so people, when they land on this website, they can start to know us a little bit more, and they can start getting to get a better idea of who we are, how we can help them, and start building that rapport before we even meet them or get on the phone with them. So all in all, I just wanted to get on here and share this solution that I found. I spent a lot of time working with different CRMs and front-end websites to be able to find something that worked well for my own real estate team. And if you're a real estate team leader, you might be looking to do the same thing. So I just wanted to share with you and let you know that this tool has been working really well for us. We've used it for quite a while now, and it's driven good results. It's easy to use, it's user friendly, and most importantly, it's really friendly for real estate teams and real estate brokerages because it has a lot of different lead routing options. It lets your agents create landing pages. It just does a lot. It also can create home value reports and CMA reports, which I found really helpful. So it will take a little bit of time to learn and get the hang of, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty much your entire real estate business in a box, and it does everything that you would ever need it to do, plus more. So be sure to check it out. I hope you enjoy it as much as we are. And if you have questions about your real estate team or building your real estate team, I would love to help because I spent the last 5 years building mine, and I can hopefully share some good feedback. So thanks again for tuning in, and you have an awesome day. Thanks for tuning in to New Agent HQ. On this channel, we try to give you all the resources to be confident and successful as a new agent from day one. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button and subscribe, and be sure to check out this video here. I think you'll enjoy it.